Good morning. Got them busted studs out. It was quite a challenge to do it. Anyhow, I started on it myself, and I started drilling out stud with a drill, and a little Harbor Freight drill bit there went in about 1/8 of an inch and wouldn't go no more. So I got my boy to help. He brought over his super duper $120 drill bit set and his left hand bits and whatever. And he got the holes drilled through all right on the two bottom ones. And that one come out with a left hand drill bit. Boy, just come out so nice, which that was all right. And this one we had drilled out, and it wouldn't work. So had a 1/2 inch hole in the center of it, and I took heating torch, warmed it all up real good, let it cool off and everything. Then we put an easy out in it, and it grunted real hard, but it finally come out. So them two was done. Now these two, them was something else. Had to warm the tractor up quite a bit, and had to get violent with it. Used that stud extractor and that great big long wrench. And my boy's 250 some pounds, whatever. He had to pull just as hard as he possibly could. It finally come loose, and we got him out. Which, the rate I was doing, I'd have never got him out. So anyhow, now I got something else I got to do. Got to run a tap somehow in there. Anyhow, got to run a tap in there and make sure the threads aren't, well, find one that even works on. Maybe the threads is all screwed up on all of them. Oh, that is gonna go good. Hey, I gotta clean up the threads and everything, then put them new studs in. Oh, then I gotta put them in there, sort of like that. And then I can put the thing back together. I think it'll come out pretty good. Alright, I better get busy. Oh, yeah, something I messed up on last night too. Always doing all this work. Boy, that'd make a good video. Oh well. Anyhow, when I got back at the house, found out I had my little camera here in my pocket all the time, and I could have filmed all that troubles we had, but yeah, well, you can imagine it was a lot of fun, but we got it done. Alright, I better get busy. Yeah, I guess this is as good as any way to clean the threads up. I know I done that one, and I can put the stud back in with my fingers. Got a little tension on it. Must be them threads boogered up just a little bit. Yeah, we'll get the thing back out of there. Yeah. It's the one we had to drill out, easy out so bad. It must be distorted a little bit on the inside there. Let's see where. Come on. Well, that thing's sharp. Of course, it is a brand new one. Oh, come on. Yeah, we got threads in there now. We'll see where that goes in. Oh, looky there. Yeah, we'll snug that up a little bit there and we'll be good to go. Now we'll clean the rest of them. And then we'll get the skid loader and hang that big heavy thing here and wiggle it around and stick her back in there. Alright, because it's going to rain here one of these days and we need to get this thing going. There, got them all in there nice and snug. Now, clean the inside, break up there just a little bit. Stick her back together. Alright, that's enough for now. Well, here. Yeah, I warmed it up just a little. I had a nice fire going around all them hydraulic hoses and pipes. Had to cut that bolt off, make a little slot so I could get another bolt back in. But I got me a can, and I got some water, and I put the fire out. So that's no worry. Anyhow, I'm going to do a little more heating. I'm going to heat that rust up, make it pop off. Clean it a little and put a little paint on it. Pretty good rust remover. Alright, that's enough of that. Now we'll try this thing. Come on. Didn't get it all, but got most of it. Better than it was. Oh, it ain't so awful hot. Now we'll put some of this stuff on it. Dries fast that way. Boy, that's good as new. Not really, but as good as it's gonna get. Okay, we'll do some more. Well, looks like I better do the same to this piece. It's got a lot of rust on it. Or if you took that and put it back there, that would be all there. Well, that loosened it up a little bit. Alright, let's see what. I don't. Well, I got a few little specks there. I'll warm it a little bit more and it'll be good enough. How's that? That no count red paint. It's almost Allis Chalmers orange. And cut that slot in there to get that bolt stuck in there crooked. Because there's a hydraulic line right close behind it, and you couldn't get a bolt straight out. So I got that. I guess it's time for this boss called and said she'd make me a bologna sandwich, so I better get in there and get something to eat. Alright, later. It's all back together, except to put the tire on. I replaced some bolts, put some new bolts in it, and got them other new ones down there. It's all pretty good shape. Got a couple pieces left over. They go up here in the traction booster and the depth control, but I don't use that anymore anyhow, so we'll get that another day. And I decided not to patch the fender. I put a little reinforcement there, and it's halfway decent. Ain't better than it was, but it's at least ways as good as it was before it broke. Alright, I'll get the tire on. Then I'll put that great big jack back, and we'll be done. All done. Look here. Didn't even break nothing, except maybe them bolts. I guess we're alright. Oh. Now we can go play with the toys instead of the working equipment.